Good morning students. So in today's class we are going to see about the lesson 5 grammar junction. In that we are going to see about the verbs that link. Okay, there are 8 verbs, that is am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had. These are the verbs. Okay, these are the action words or the verbs. Okay, verbs or action words. What are the verbs or action verbs? So am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had are the action words. Okay, we can also call it as verb or the action words. Okay, these verbs can join the naming part and the telling part. Okay, these verbs can join the naming part and the telling part. What is the naming part? Naming part that tells about the naming words. Okay, and a telling part tells us different things about the naming part. Okay, so in the first lesson you have learned it, right? What is the naming part and the telling part you have learned, right? So the naming part and the telling part, so the verb that will join, so these verbs they will join the naming part and the telling part, and these verbs can also use for asking the questions. Okay, am, is, are, was, were, have, had. So from this we can also frame the questions. Okay, now see here we are going to categorize it in the present tense form of the linking word and past tense form of the linking verb. So what are the verbs for the present tense form of the linking word is am, is, are, has, have. Okay, these 5 verbs are the present tense. Okay, these five verbs are the present tense. What are they? Am, is, are, has, have are the present tense. Okay, and then the 3 things, that is was, were, had are the past tense. Okay, was, were, had are the past tense form of the linking verbs. Okay, so among 8, 5 are in present tense, 3 are in past tense. What are the 8 verbs? Am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had are the 8 verbs. Among this, 5 are the present tense. What are the present tense here? Am, is, are, has, have are the present tense, and the past tense form of the linking verb is was, were, had are the past tense. Okay, now we have categorized it in the present tense and past tense. Okay, again we are going to categorize in the singular and the plural. Okay, so you have learned about singular and the plural, right? What do you mean by singular? Only one. Plural means more than one, that is a many, that is known as the plural. So now we are going to categorize the present tense as a singular and the plural. I have written the 5 words now. So 5 verbs now. So this I am going to categorize as singular and the plural. Okay, now see this. See, now you have to see this. Okay, am, is, are, has, have. These are the 5 present tense. Now we are going to categorize the singular and the plural. Okay, can you tell me? So am is what? Am is the singular. Okay, am is the singular. Then tell me is. So is also a singular only. Then are. So are, which comes under the plural. Okay, are plural. Then has. Has is the singular only. Okay, has is the singular only. Then have is the plural. Have is the plural. So see here, singular present tense are am, is, has are the singular present tense. Okay, and then plural present tense are, have are the plural present tense. Okay, now you have to see this category. Okay, was, were, had are the past tense form of the linking verb. So here we are going to categorize in the singular and the plural. Now see here, was is the singular only. Okay, was is the singular only, singular past tense only. Now see the next one, where is the plural. Where is the plural? And the next one, had, which comes both. Singular also will come, for the plural also will come. For the both category it will come. Okay, had which comes for the singular also, and had which comes for the plural also. In both forms also it will come. Okay, what are the singular past tense? was, had. What are the plural past tense? Were, had. Okay, students, are you clear with this? So you can copy down these things in your notebook. Okay, what are the 8 verbs? 8 verbs are there. There are am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had are the 8 verbs. Among 8, 5 are present tense. That is am, is, are, has, have are present tense. The 3 are in past tense. That is was, were, had are the past tense. For that we have categorized this as singular, am, is, has as singular present tense, and are, have as the plural present tense. And the next one, singular present tenses was, had, and the plural past tenses were, had. So students, you can copy down these things in your notebook. Now students, see here, you have to remember this. The pronoun I always takes am, was, have, had. Okay, the pronoun I, okay, it always takes am, was, have, had. Okay, like I am, I was, I have, I had, like that only have to use. Okay, the next one, the pronoun you always takes are, were, have, had. Okay, the pronoun you, they always takes are, were, have, had. Like this you have to do. You are, you were, you have, you had. Like that you have to use. Okay, so you have to keep this in the mind. Okay, now we shall see the book back exercise. Now see this image. So this is a exercise given for you. That is exercise 1. What they are given? Circle the correct option to complete the sentence. Okay, have to circle the correct option. The A, what dash the carpenters doing at your home? Here they are given it as carpenters. Okay, it is a plural one. So you have to use are. What are the carpenters doing at your house? Circle the word are. First A1, are. Okay, then mother bought 2 pair of jeans because they dash very good. Here they are given 2 pairs of jeans. It's a plural, so you have to use were. Okay, mother bought 2 pairs of jeans because they were very good. Then see, dash, you carrying an umbrella. For the you have to put what? For the you have to put are. Okay, here what the clues are given? Are and is are given. For the you have to put are. Are you carrying an umbrella? Or for the you have to put are. Okay, or you carrying an umbrella? Then next D. If you dash given a chance to meet a sportsman, who would you like to meet? So here they are given, again they are given as you. For the you, what are the clues given? Was and where are they given? Was, it will be used for only I. So for the you have to use only where the clues are was, where. So for the you have to use only where. Okay, the answer is where. If you were given a chance to meet a sportsman, who would you like to meet? Then last key, I dash reading a book. If I come in, have to put am. Okay, I am. Okay, so students, are you clear with this? See the next one. This is the second exercise for you. So tick the correct option to show if the sentences is in the present tense or past tense. You have to read the sentence, and if it is a present tense means you have to put a tick on a present tense, and if it is a past tense means you have to put a tick mark above the past tense. Okay, first one, the test is difficult. Now tick it. So it is the present tense. Then B, this is my favorite toy. So this sentence is also a present tense. Then C, Mohan was not at school yesterday. So here the words was, yesterday are given. So that is known as a past tense. So Mohan was not at school yesterday. Yesterday here refers to the past tense. Past tense means the action that has been already finished. That is known as the past tense. Past tense na the action ஏற்கனவே முடிந்தது. அதான் வந்து என்னது? Past tense. Mohan was not at school yesterday. So it's a past tense. The girls were unwell last week. So here what's the words are given? Were, last week are given. So it is also in a past tense. Then E, Sneena has a blue dress that I like. So this is a present tense. Okay. For the first one, test is difficult, present tense. This is my favorite toy, present tense. Mohan was not at school yesterday, past tense. The girl were unwell last week, past tense. Neena has a blue dress that I like. It's a present tense. Students, have you all clear with the today's topic? What we have seen? We have seen about the verbs that link. We have seen about 8 verbs. What are the verbs we have seen? Am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had. These are the 8 verbs. Okay. I hope you understand this. Students, you can copy down these things in your notebook. Thank you.